Hey guys, it's Mrs. Lesher. So we're going to be making a fan favorite and probably the best recipe we make in this class, which is called pizza bubble bread. So, as always, you're going to wash your hands to start. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to get a glass pie plate and I'm going to take some Crisco on a paper towel. I'm going to work that Crisco through the pie plate just until it's like not see-through anymore, just opaque kind of. So all over the pie plate. You can use cooking spray too. Crisco is a little bit cheaper and just a little bit more easy to maneuver. Then you're going to grease the outside and bottom of the custard cup. Just like that. Same thing, just until it's not see-through anymore. Okay? I'm going to place that right in the center of your pie plate like that. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up a pack of refrigerator biscuits. You're going to peel across the seam, like that. And you're going to place your finger right in the seam of the biscuits, and you're going to push down, and it will pop. Okay. You're going to open them up all the way. Now, this is the 10-pack from Giant. It's the Giant brand biscuits. If you have to use the bigger ones, you're only going to use 6 of them. If you used all 8, it would come out a little doughy still. So you're just going to lay them all flat on your cutting board, and you're going to cut them into quarters. So just cut them into 4 pieces each, just like that, and throw them right into your bowl, separating them. Okay, and once you have those all cut up and mixed in your mixing bowl, you're going to take your measuring cup, and you're going to measure a 1/2 cup of sauce. So you're just going to measure a 1/2 cup. And just like in science class, you're going to get down at eye level, check to make sure it's on the bottom of the meniscus, and you're going to go ahead and pour that right into your bowl. Okay, so the next thing you're going to grab is your Italian seasoning. You're going to open that up. And you need a 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. So we're just going to dip our measuring spoon in there, tap it off until it's level, dump it right into your bowl. Okay, now we're just going to mix them all up. Just make sure everything is coated nice and evenly. Okay, then we're going to grab our pie plate. We're going to add our pizza bubbles right into the bowl, kind of spreading them evenly out along the bowl. It's okay if there's gaps. Those gaps are going to grow, so they're all going to get filled in. We're just going to scrape all of our bowl out. Okay, we're going to spread that out nice and even all the way around. And our next step is going to be to grab some mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese is a solid ingredient, so we're just going to add that right into our measuring cup. Like that. Making sure it's right on the top. And we're going to lightly sprinkle that all around our pizza bubble bread. If we need to, we can always redistribute because our hands are nice and clean still. And we're going to go ahead and put this in the microwave for 5 minutes. All right, and while our pizza bubble bread was baking, we went ahead, we did the dishes, got all of that out of the way. So now that it came out of the microwave, we took it out with a hot pad. It was in there for 5 minutes. You can see that it's grown quite a bit from what it originally was. And you can either cut this up, serve it in individual bubbles, or you can slice it into pieces like a pizza, no matter what. This can also be done in the oven. And you would just follow the directions on the biscuits. So it would be about 15 minutes in the oven at 375. All right, and enjoy. On behalf of RCTV and Springford, we want to remind you to always wash your hands and clean all surfaces prior to cooking. Have a great day.